Yep.
2017 Q60 S Red Sport 400 horsepower. This vehicle has a rod knock and we're changing the rod bearings on it. In order to change the rod bearings, you have to take the subframe, so about CV axles on the both sides, obviously rock and pinion, the skid plate in the back. And when you take all those stuff off, the crankcase cover goes off too. Obviously, in order to take all that stuff, you have to disconnect your lower control arms, your drive shaft, struts on the both sides. And obviously, the front differential will have to come off in order to get the plate out. And when you take all this stuff off, the oil pump will come off. Oil pump does not have the timing, so you just take the bolt off, which is a 12 millimeter here, and you hold that, the little shaft inside, you hold that with the E8. And then we're getting to the first rod here. It's 10 millimeter. Obviously, you know, left is loosey, right is tight. $10 millimeter with 16 teeth. My partner and my brother Shazad, Khurram Shazad from Kakona is here too in the training session. It's a project vehicle. We're doing our best to get it on the road. All right. First two bolts came out. Put that aside. I'm not going to show you guys the cable because it's very. Okay. All right. First gunman is out. We're trying to see. Yep, right there. As you guys can see, it's got all these scratches and bottom and everything. That's our torch. We bought it from the Harbor Freight. They claim this can hold for 22 hours with one charge. I call it 22 hours, but you know, Harbor Freight. You can see all these shavings in the oil pan. So we're gonna take all of these one by one and see how they look like. Obviously, the very first one is very good news. You can see some shavings. And we're gonna take the all other out and show you guys.